What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we got another awesome product from Boost Auto that we're going to install. In my opinion, this is one of the best interior mods you can put into your truck. Boost Auto sells this item for multiple different platforms, so not just the Ram, but I am installing this on my 5th gen Ram here. So the 19 to 23 or 24, I believe now, Ram 1500. So if you don't have the fully loaded version, you will not have this in your truck. So this is a great upgrade at a very reasonable price. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is Boost Auto's charging pad for the Ram 1500. So it sits right here in this groove that they already have here from factory, and gives you a nice charging platform. So absolutely love this product. This is a fantastic idea. I'm not sure if anybody else is doing this right now. I'm sure somebody on Amazon has a solution for this, but this is a very reasonable price. Everything I've gotten from Boost Auto is extremely good quality. I've been very impressed. So let's go ahead and install this today. Again, if you have the limited version of the Ram, you're already going to have a charging pad. But I have a Bighorn, so I do not have that from factory, and this is going to be a super nice addition. So let's go ahead and get into the install. I'm going to do a brief overview. Boost Auto has a very detailed install, so I'll also link their video in the description below. First step here, guys, is to go ahead and pop off this plastic trim piece that goes right here. You're going to do it on the passenger and the driver side. And then you're also going to take off this little cover that's on this side. You're also going to do the same for the one that's down here on both sides, and then you'll be able to pull the center console back. If you don't have a full center console, this product is not for you, because you have to have the full center console to have this. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like once I have those 6 bolts off here. So 2 over there, 2 right here, 1 and 1. So let's go ahead and get those taken off. All right, guys, so we got all those bolts off. We now push this back. Was super simple to do. So what we're going to do now is we're going to disconnect the negative on the battery, because we're going to be messing with a few wires here. So let's go ahead and jump to the hood, and we'll do that next. So what we want to do now that we have this pushed out, this is the 3rd connector here if you have the CD player as well. But you want to take this connector that has the wires exposed. You want to cut this back just a little bit. And then what you want to do is the 1st and the 3rd wire. It's the red and the black. Sorry if I camera moved down there a little bit. But the red and the black. Now what you want to do is use these taps that they gave you. And we'll tap into both of those and use these connectors moving forward. So let me go ahead and get that completed. Again, it's the 1st and the 3rd, and the video that Boost Auto has is very clear about this too. All right, guys, so once you get these taps in here and you connect the red to the red and black to the black, you can then connect the harness that they provided from Boost Auto. You're going to connect the black connector. You do not need this gray one for this application, so you can actually go ahead and put some electrical tape on that. I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and then we'll move forward. So once you get that connector on and you route that down through the wiring harness hole, which is right down here, what you're able to do is you're able to then drill your hole down here. The video that Boost Auto did is very detailed on this. Very easy to do. 3/8 drill bit. I did have to go a little bit around to get it to fit through, but 3/8 drill bit did work, and I routed it through here, then just pulled it tight, and everything works great. I do film with my phone, so I'm not able to show you guys it actually charging, but it does work. Very cool. The only thing I wish was a little better is I wish it was a little sturdier, and this could just be that this might be loose on my Ram specifically. But it is just a hair loose. I may end up adding some sort of sticky pad on here to get this to actually hold solid. But other than that, fantastic product, very easy install. I'm now going to finish putting everything back together, and I'll show you the absolute finished product. All right, guys, as you can see, this is the next day now. Unfortunately, got a little busy, but as you can see here, it sits so nicely in this little area here. I did put some double-sided tape on the back, and that has helped it be sturdy. Before it was just a little loose, and again, that could just be from this part being used a lot on my truck specifically, but it did fit a little bit loose at first. Double-sided tape helped a ton. It works fantastic. Went on about a 2-hour road trip yesterday, and everything worked great. I'm very impressed by this for the price point. It is fantastic. I'd highly recommend you add this to your truck. Again, if you have the Limited, you already have a charger on here, so wouldn't really make much sense for you to do that. But if you have the Bighorn or any other trim that has this full center console here, this is a great setup, and you can even still use everything just the same as you would have before, so that's pretty nice. It doesn't limit your functionality at all. The only thing that would be a little bit tough is getting the CD player, but this is super easy to pull off and put back on. So again, guys, fantastic product. Would highly recommend this if you're looking for a wireless charger for your Ram 1500 5th gen. And another thing I really like about this is you can turn it off and on, so that's a fantastic option to have. That way it's not on all the time. If you push this little middle button here, it'll turn it off, and then when your phone is actually charging, this switches from red over to blue here, so you know when it's working and when obviously it's not. So really nice to have. I love the functionality of this. It's basic, but it does the job, and that's really all that matters. And like I said, at the price point, I mean, this is a great product for you to add to your truck if you're looking for something like this. And something that's really nice about this product as well, guys, as I mentioned a little bit earlier, is you can go ahead and take this right off if you don't like the way this looks, or if you need to move things around, you know, you want to change the way the center console looks, you can take it right off and put it right back on. No issues at all. It's super easy to disconnect the connector down there. It's hidden nice and tight down there. So it's super easy to remove and put back on if you wanted to take it off. Say if you're going on a long road trip, you want to put it back on, something like that. Super easy to put on and take off. So something to keep in mind there. And if you want to take the whole thing off, you know, moving that center console and everything took me maximum about 30 to 45 minutes. So super easy install, super easy to take off if you wanted to. All right, guys, that is going to do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the quick little review and install I did of this charger. Not really a whole lot more to talk about on a product like this. You know, it does what it says it's going to do. It works well. I've had no issues in the last couple days I've been using it. And it seems like it's made of really good quality. The install was super easy. Cannot say enough good things about Boost Auto and everything they've put together with all these products I've installed from them. So thank you guys so much for allowing me the opportunity to partner with you guys. Absolutely love the products you sent over to me. I am promoting them on my own will. I guess these were sent to me, but I'm giving you my honest opinion on these products. I would probably buy them even if they weren't free to me, because they just made my life a lot easier, and they're just great quality. So I'd highly recommend you guys check out Boost Auto. They have products for Ram, Chevy, Ford, all the truck brands, so you can go ahead and take a look at their website, which I will link below for you guys. So make sure to check them out. But thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please drop them down below. I'll be glad to help out with any questions you may have about this product. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more truck content coming your way soon. Thanks again, guys.